Hello, selamat pagi and good morning. So this is probably going to be my one of the very many videos that I want to make, hopefully. So let's start off with something that I just bought yesterday. So a little background. So actually I want to buy a second-hand iPhone actually to pair with the Apple Watch. I really want Apple Watch since like 3 or 4 years ago. And by the way, I am still deciding whether I want to talk fully in English or mix it up with the Malay. And by the way, I am Malay from Malaysia, so I have still not decided yet. So let's start. Not really start. I just want to make a quick video. If you want to see a proper unboxing, then you can search for the channel, and then if you want to see the specs, you can Google it or watch in another channel. So this is my own personal keeping, but I decided to upload this anyway. And then there will be no little to very no editing here, because I don't like to meddle with that kind of stuff. So I will tell you more in probably in the next or any other videos that I make on the journey to get this. But as of now, this is the one that I get. And then the plastic here have already been unsealed by the telco that I or the carrier that I purchased from, which is DG from here in Malaysia. So this is something that somebody called. Okay, I'm gonna pause this video for a while. Okay, I am back. So actually I made a video just before this, but then I'm not very comfortable speaking because I'm not sitting down. I am stand up to just get a clear shot. So, and by the way, I used a white background before, but then I decided to remove the white background because I think this is more comfortable. And then excuse the art here that is made by my daughter. So let's start a very quick one. So not really quick. Okay, I put it wrong already, so you can see this is not a real unboxing. It's Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro Max 256GB, and then ta-da! Okay, so actually I want to do the peeling myself, but then the storekeeper decided to do it because I don't know, maybe they are kinda waiting to do it for so long, because probably they want to play around too with this, because it is the second expensive one they have. It's the 256 gig. If it were up to me, I would get the 128 gig one, or maybe even the mini or the regular Pro. So as you can see, I just took out from the box, no adapter, the manuals, and then the cables. That's it. Very simple packaging this year by Apple. Luckily, I have so many wireless chargers around my house. So okay, let's put it here for display purpose. So I have no problems at all with no adapters, because I have a power delivery adapter a lot actually, due to my previous phone purchases. And then the only thing that bugs me is the fast charging, because it can go max up to 20 watts only if you buy the MagSafe one, and then the Type-C to Lightning cable with the correct adapter. So I have those adapter, but then my cables are all Type-C. I use Type-C's phones for like 3 to 4 years, starting with I think the Nexus 6P. Okay, I am going to make a separate video with the journey that I have, the phones I started when, with what phone to which phone until I got to this point. Okay, so let's get back to the phone. I tend to get off topic, but then if you watch here, so you probably want to hear me talk anyway. So I hope you can see this. Let me try to change the lighting. Where is the button? Where is the button? Here is the button here. Okay, here a lighting with the cooler temperature, and then here is a warmer temperature. Can you see it? Okay, this is a neutral kind of light. Okay, so if I turn off the light, okay, here is the natural beauty, I suppose. Okay, so and by the way, I am recording this using my Mi 10 5G. I will probably make a video on that too, and then record it using the iPhone 12 Pro Max here. And I guess that's it. I just had it for less than a day, so I hope to use it extensively and then probably make a video or some kind of like something like vlog kind of style to you know let you guys know about how I feel and then why I am so excited about this. Actually, okay, no, I'm not going off topic, so I'm going to say why I buy this phone. Actually, I never really like iOS. I am more an Android person, but then hint, this guy, I just want this guy, so I have to use this guy. Okay, so let's unlock it once before I stop this video. So okay, it's iOS. You can search for other videos for iOS reviews, but there's nothing more other than a very beautiful hardware. Okay, so I guess that's it for me. See you in the next one. Bye bye.